Folks, we're back again. We got a doozy for you. Check it out. Nissan Juke SL all-wheel drive. Top of the line. It's a one-owner car with 24 dealer documented service records on it. No accidents, no paint work. Loaded up. Leather interior, Boomin' Fosgate sound system, factory sunroof, heated seats, leather wrapped wheel, switch off four-wheel drive, turbo, non-smoker, navigation, backup cam, digital climate. Loaded up, folks. Hands-free Bluetooth calling, streaming audio. Great little piece. Awesome in the snow. Way peppy. Super sporty. Service contract included, folks. 3 months, 4,500 miles over the complete driveline on this car. Yes, sir. Guaranteed credit approval. Starting down payment, $995. This Juke is one owner with a perfect Carfax certification. We have that here for you for free. Not going to charge you to see the history on this car. No, sir. Guaranteed credit approval. Cleveland.com.